breaking news. 4 days after 13 women died in Takatpur and Bilaspur because of alleged medical negligence, Dr. R.K. Gupta from Takatpur, who had operated on these 83 women last Saturday, now has been arrested. Madhav is also with us, getting us more updates and a larger picture here. Madhav, the point is, though the first arrest now has been made of the entire case, but a lot more needs to be done, isn't it? Because we were the health minister who said the protocol was not followed. Now it's also about the botched up, investigations in this case, because it's about drugs, it's about equipment, it's about the staff, it's about so much more. So how can just one arrest close this entire case?
Well, certainly not. This is just the beginning, really, as far as this particular case is concerned. The attempt of the administration here, of course, has been focused on ensuring that the serious cases, and there are at least 20 to 30 women who continue to be in a very serious condition at this point of time, that at least their casualties, the numbers do not rise. That has been the attempt as far as the administration is concerned. But certainly, of course, 4 days after that tragedy taking place, after that operation or the botched camp taking place, clearly, of course, now the police coming out and arresting Dr. R.K. Gupta. This is, of course, just the beginning. Also, of course, the health minister who yesterday said that he would abide by whatever the chief minister is saying, but refusing to take any responsibility, despite the fact that it's his department, the health department, as well as his constituency, where all of this is taking place. Clearly, of course, the health minister too has to be held accountable, and his resignation is something that opposition parties here have been demanding as well. At the same time, it is in fact substandard drugs that were used that is also believed to have contributed to this particular series, because it's not just one incident at Takatpur, as you were mentioning, but also another camp at Pendra where such sterilizations were conducted, where several women have been brought into Bilaspur yesterday as well. So several such aspects that need to be looked at. But certainly, of course, what we'll have to see is immediately after the arrest of R.K. Gupta, whether the police will also take charge and also take others into custody who were involved in this entire operation along with him.